Hello guys, welcome to my channel WikiTube 360. Today we will talk about the best file manager for Android, that is Mixplorer. You can see Mixplorer. So let's see the app details first. It is Mixplorer Silver 6.48.2 version. This app has a free version also, that is only Mixplorer. You can download it from Play Store, or you can also search it on Google APK files, and you can download and install it. Remember that if you download the free version, you have to install the plugins or add-ons. But if you download this paid version Mixplorer Silver, then you don't have to download the add-ons or plugins separately. They are already inside it. But you will get all the features in the free versions too. You have to only download the plugins or add-ons separately. That's all. Having said that, let's get inside of the app. Okay, I'm also showing you the size. It is a tiny in size. You see, only 13.68 MB. It's taken um, of my phone, and this the APK size is only 8.09. Okay, let's get inside the app, and let's talk about the features. This file manager, actually, I told you that it is the best file manager for Android. But why is it the best? Okay, I will show you why this file manager I have placed it on the best file manager. So let's talk about its feature and many things. I have already arranged some the features of UI settings here. So the initial view, you will see so the initial views like this. You will see the internal storage. Okay, well, before that, let's roam around the settings first. So this is the menu. Okay, sorry, my recorder is causing a problem here. Okay, wait. Okay guys, I was interrupted by my screen recorder's problem, so I am back. So let's see the setting menu first. If you press the menu here, you will see three dot menu. You will see this. Let's go to settings, and what can you see here? Skins. You can change the skin. There's already the built-in skin. You see on default. Another one is MIX Aztec, and another one is MIX Gray. You can edit this skin, like you can change the color and many things. I'm not gonna mess up with it. You can also say, you can edit the next one, and you can also enable night mode. Let's see. Yeah, you see night mode, and it provides with a beautiful look. So let's get back to settings again. So I'm going with the default one, guys. You can change by your own many. You can also download some add skins. They have their websites. You can go there and download some skins, or you can also export skins of when you once you download it in your internal storage. Yeah, okay, and now language. I suppose that you don't need any other language. It's English is pretty much available everywhere, so English is already installed here. But if you need, you can add language if you have internet connection. I don't have internet connection, so I'm not gonna show it. Next, you have add-ons. So I already told you that if you download the a paid version, that is Mixplorer Silver, so you don't need much add-on. The add-ons already comes all add-on already come with the with the APK file. So only one add-on maybe this is codec for the video player, the video player feature, but I suppose I don't need it because I use another video player, other video players that are dedicated for playing videos, so I'm not going to talk about it. Let's see buttons. Okay, these are just changeable settings. You can change these things, you change the look and features, everything but inside the file manager. How do this how do they just serve you. So you can change it by your own. This is not as necessary, I think, and in many things you can change this. Once you mess up with the settings, you can always reset back to the original. So there is a button, you see. Okay, I'm returning back. This now more settings. Okay, this is a kind of interesting settings here. You can allow root. If you are a root user, you can explore the root files by ticking here. I have already allowed it, and this other settings are pretty much already ticked. So there's some you can get the bar at the bottom side. Then you wanna activate this one toolbar if it's not already activated, and then the other settings are already have been enabled. Next, auto task. This is interesting. Some if you want to some copy some things automatically at a time, it will do it for you. So this move or delete or anything, this is interesting, really interesting. So whatever guys, you can take this on your own. I'm just showing you. Okay, let's get back. But let's get back the features, the main features we are talking about. I'll show you now. So this is the initial view, a default view actually, but you can change the view of the files or directories, how they show up. Let's start with the first one, compact view. So in compact view, it is pretty simple, and you only get the files count of in the right side of the directories, only the okay. I'm going to show you this file counts. So next, so let's see with the column view. So in column view, you get this view. You have the last modification date, probably this date. This is and this is file counts, and you have the names. Okay, let's see another view, detail view. Okay, this is my favorite. You get all the details of particular files without any click. You see the file, you see the here is the file counts, and this is the modification time, this is the size. Okay, and many things. And this is another count. I don't know what it is. Okay. So this is great. This is great. And next, let's see another view. This is wrapped view. If you have a bigger screen, then you might like this view, actually two column. But I'm not gonna like it that much. Then minimal view. Many people may like this one too. Minimalist people. You just only have the directory names, nothing else. So next one is grid view. This is also cool. You see grid, and you can zoom it out. Everywhere you can zoom it and out. I'm going to talk about that later. You get the gallery view. This is also interesting. If you browse the pictures gallery or image gallery, then you may like this view. Okay, I'm going to show you. Let's get back, go to the DCIM view, the default camera directory. So here you see the gallery view is pretty much handy. Okay, pretty much handy. So it's really great here. It is also so gallery view, you can change the option from here. Okay, I'm going to talk about later that. So I'm going with the detailed view. I like this view actually. Okay, let's get back to the default directory, root directory, to be honest. Yeah, here. So detailed view. Okay, so this is the default view, and you can see the options from here. You can show show hidden globally. Globally, that means you can see the hidden files everywhere if you take this one. So let's see. So you see this file was actually hidden, but after taking that, it has shown up. Another. So I'm turn up the settings show hidden globally. So the next one is show hidden recursively. So recursively, that means in a particular directory. So suppose okay, let's get somewhere where we have a hidden file. Suppose here we don't have, probably we don't have a hidden file here. Let's create one. So new folder, if you put a dot here, it will be hidden. Okay, so hidden. So hidden, you see. Yeah, we can't see the hidden files or directories here because we didn't check the hidden option, show hidden option. So let's see. Yeah. So show hidden recursively, that means only this directory will see the hidden files. So yeah, so you see hidden files, but here we don't see the hidden file. Because we just checked this option there, show hidden recursively. So go to the directory where you want to see the hidden files and check this option. And if you want to see the all the see the hidden files everywhere, then check this option. Okay. So show thumbnails and show extensions and many things. These are already ticked. You don't have to mess up with these things. A live count, this is another cool feature. Whatever. Let's get to the other features. So this is add. So you can add a new folder or file, particularly text file actually. Then any other file, but mainly text files. It works with text files. So I'm not gonna create any. You can then encrypted file, whatever. I don't know about it. Key store, symbolic link. This is some features. Probably you don't will not need these. Then dot file, you also don't need this. Then storage, this is cool. We are going to talk about that later. Then this is refresh button. You can refresh, just one click refresh, and then this is your sort option, how the directories appear from top to bottom. This is name from A to Z, alphabetically. Then you have a name reversibly Z to A. Then you have size smaller but to bigger. Then you have size bigger to smaller, and then you have date older to newer. Then you have newer to older. Then you have file types or directory types, ascending and descending. Whatever. So I'm going with A to Z. So now let's see the options here: folder first and sections. This is some things. So let's get there is another button, select all. If you press once, you will all the directory in your storage or files will be selected. You can select particular files and see the information and properties together. So it is really cool. Yeah, you see my whole directories, my whole files are here in a single click. So let's get back. So there is another button, search button. This is cool. You can search in different option, contains a prefix, suffix, words, or prefix. So this is really cool. Suppose I'm searching some so just a particular word, it is contains wherever this word, this moon word is contained, those file or directories will show up here. So let's get with it. Okay, you see, so it's pretty fast and very convincing, convenient. So okay, let's get back. What else? So what else? We are gonna talk about this menu. So you have a lock option here. You can lock your total file manager or your phone storage like this. So suppose I'm gonna put this password. You can also use the number or this. So okay, so let's see whether it works. Okay, let's get okay, something goes wrong, maybe something went wrong. um lock, okay, unlock, okay. uh, so let's see, you see, yeah, you can't enter without the password. So this is really cool. Okay. um, you can also use your fingerprint. That's also cool. I use the fingerprint. So yeah, you see the lock, you can use the fingerprint or your password you already given. So here, um, let's see the other features: tools, duplicates, eminence. You can clear your duplicates or appearance. That's really cool. Operation is running, it will sort out your duplicates file, and you can delete that later. Okay, then see the other things. Okay, you see, you already sorted out all the duplicate files. Okay, so filter, if you were in a particular directory, suppose I am here, um, suppose I am in a directory called here. So here I have a different type of files, suppose JPG or the APK. So this PNG. So you can apply the filter. You suppose you only want to see the images. So other files like APK or everything else will get hidden. So you want to see just video. So I don't have any videos here, so it's not showing anything. So this is cool. Then reset, you can see everything. Then servers. This is some cool features. You can share something with you another device, laptop or anything else with the same Wi-Fi using this FTP servers. It started. So I will make another video on this. So let's not talk about that much about that. Then execute the task. you can put some command here, copy or delete or something like that. This programming code. No, let's not talk about that either. Send log, and then settings, then exit. Okay, these are the features here in this t-dot menu. Let's talk about the other features. It is very rich in features, so there's still many features left. Okay, guys. Now we are gonna talk about the other features. You can suppose you have if you have multiple stories. Here you can this is the internal storage, so you can add other storage like your Google Drive or Mega Drive or OneDrive, any cloud drive you can add here. And yeah, these are the default tools. Like audio, you can see all your audios in your phone storage, or images, all your images or videos, all your videos, and the APK files, all your APK files, and archive all your zip files or the RAR files, and documents, PDF or doc file. Then app, all your installed apps here. Then all files, actually all the files you have in your directory. So I have totally you see, I'm going to show you. I have totally 7,600 files in my phone storage, and their size is 18.6 GB. So it is cool, really cool. Then you have recent files, the recent files that you added in your phone storage. Then you have recycle bin. This is also cool. I didn't talk about that. Actually, you have recycle bin. You can activate it from the settings menu. I'm going to show you more settings, and you see recycle bin. Where is it? Let's see, where is it? Okay, maybe it's not here. Where is it? Where is it? No, it is supposed to be here. Bottom bar, then enable OTG. You can also enable browser OTG for drive here. Then some things. So the recycle bin, actually this one, undo. If you say this one, your deleted files will be moved to recycle bin. Then you can restore them later. So I'm not gonna use it. So I'm just showing you. Okay, and then okay. We are talking about this. So these are the things you get here. Default. I did the Google Drive. That's why you can see it here. I don't have internet, so please check your internet. Then let's get back to internal storage. So if you just press here, you see your total memory and used memory here. If you long press here, you see other things. You can see the properties. You can copy the path, copy the name, and enter the path. Then the refresh media store, keep a clear thumbnails cache, and then add to delete. So many things here. You can have a multiple window. Suppose in this window you have your internal storage. You want to see your Google Drive or another storage. If you have SD card in another window, so you just press and hold. You just press and hold here, then it will open in another new window. So you see, we got a new window. Yeah, and you can switch between this. Just click on the top, and you will see that window. Then if you just want to open a particular directory in a new window, so you can just press and click. press and hold, then it will be marked. Then click here this three dot menu. So open in a new window. You see, open in new window. Open in new window. So if you press that one, so it will open in new window. So let's talk about other things. Suppose this is a PDF file. You can this file manager has built-in PDF reader. So you see, I have already default set another reader. So I'm gonna show you in another way. If you just press and open with, so this is the ebook reader. It's used a Mixplorer. So you press here and it will open here. This is cool. And so, and you see many things. You just press and you can edit with another graphics really. But you have share, you have send to, you have open, you have open with, you can archive, you can encrypt, you can add to, you can add a shortcut to your home screen or bookmarks. Then you can hide it. Then you can set as this is actually works with this works with only image files. Metadata, this is really cool. You can see the metadata. So you see, you can also edit the tags. So you edit the text. Okay, really cool. Okay, then you can copy to, move to, edit text, and then that I already shown you. Then share local link. You have to be connected with the Wi-Fi, and you can share FTP link. Okay, let's get back. Let's work with some image. Okay, we have image. So let's work with some image. What you can do with images with this file manager. So let's go to camera. Suppose this is a picture, and to select it, and you have this three dot menu. So pretty much same, but the cool feature I want to talk about is metadata. So you get a comprehensive information table here. You can see everything with related to that image. So you see everything. So your maker, I'm gonna show you. So the set model, the phone model, the software, then date time, then orientation, and many things actually. You see. So I'm not gonna talk about that in details because we don't have much time. It is so many features. We have to talk about all the features. Uh, um, so it has also default image viewer feature. So you see you can has full screen and all the things, animations. That means a slide by slide view. Then okay, let's get back. The other features I want to talk about is that you can browse your laptop files here. So I have already connected my laptop. You can see the Lenovo. This is my laptop. So how do you add it? I am going to show you. If you just click this. So I'm going to show you how can you add that. If you have to click here. So click here and you see add storage, create section, preset defaults, many things. So you click add storage. So if you add storage, then you can use any of your cloud drive here. So if you want to use your see your laptop files and control it, control all the things, you have to choose the first one, that is LAN, LA, and local area network. So click here, and what you have to do before that, you have to open the hotspot of your device, then connect your laptop to this hotspot. Then you get back here and do as I show you. So now you can click here local source. local search, then it will automatically find your laptop. Then you click here, then all the information, and click save. So I already did it, so I'm going to show you with that one. So this is my laptop. You see I can use all the data. I will make another video on this. I mean, you have to turn on sharing from your laptop of this particular file, so directly then you can access those files here. So okay, let's get back. So these are the features. There are many cool features still I didn't talk about because the video will be get longer. So if you click here the bookmarks, you get the history of your past history of where you browsed. So then you can edit this by remove this by clicking here. So you see the edit button, you can rename it. So this is great. Actually, you can browse your root files. You see your root files here. And you can change the delete or anything, but be careful messing around with your root files. And then audio, you can tag your audio. You see if you go to metadata, you can see your metadata, then click edit tags. You can change the artist name, year, title name, or you can also search. If you search it, then it will automatically fetch the data for you, and place it here, and you can add lyrics. That's really cool. Okay, let's get back to my default directory. So what can we do with the directory? With the directory, we can do these things. You can see you can make archive. So let's make archive here. So these are files. Suppose I select it, and you press the three dot menu, and you can archive it here. So if you press archive, then it will go here, and press here, then press here, then you can archive it. Okay, in zip file 7z tar wim these files. So this is really cool. I'll set your password also here. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. So I'm gonna close it. Then what else? Another cool feature is that a selection menu. How can you selecting alternatives? So suppose you wanna select um, from first file to this. So if you want to select this, you just press the first file and select, and then go to the files from where you can select, and press and hold there. So press and hold there. So you see all the files between them are selected. If you want to select like this, all the files, then select the first one and go to the last one and press and hold. Okay, that's fine. Then if you want to select from here, you want to select the all the files above it. So press here, then press previous. Okay, not like that. um if you want to select by type, suppose you want to select all the jpg files, and select one, then press here, and suppose and press the same type, so all the jpg file will be selected. So then if you want to select like the alternative files, so suppose you selected two, but you want to select select this two and select the others, then press here and alternate. Okay. uh, then you want to select only files, you want to select all. So you want to select inverse file, that is just you will select this two and select the others. So inverse, That's cool. So there's still many features. I can't talk about all the features because the video will get longer and longer. So probably I will make another video on this. So for today, let's say goodbye. Thank you guys for watching.